Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to learn more about list. So first let's talk about concatenation. As in previous videos we discussed that to concatenate two string data type we use this plus operator. By using this plus operator we can concatenate two string. Similarly in list data type we can concatenate two lists by using the same plus operator. So let's consider an example. Suppose f1 is the list which contain three integer 1 2 3, these three integer, and f2 is the list which also contain three integer 1 2 3 and is stored in f1, and 4 5 6 is stored in f2. And to concatenate f1 and f2 we can store in a list and then f1 plus f2. This plus operator will concatenate these two lists and store in f. So we can print list f. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see here these two lists is concatenate in each other. So let's talk about extend method. So by using extend method we don't need to concatenate and store in another list. So we can directly add f2 in f1 by using extend method. So we can use extend method as f1 dot extend f2. So this f2 list will add in f1. So we can print directly f1. Alright. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see the output is same because f2 is added in f1. So by using these two methods we can add these two lists together. So we have another method we can call append method. This append method we widely used in programming. Alright. So we can directly add f2 in f1 by using append method also. Syntax is same here. So as I uncomment this and instead of extend I can use append. Append method is same as extend. As I run this program, you can see here we can directly add list within list by using append method. You can see in extend method only the elements is transferred into f2 elements is transferred in f1, but by using append method we can transfer the whole list in f1. You can see here 1 2 3 are the elements of list f1, and 4 this is the whole new list. 4 5 6 is the new list add in f1. So it extends the index of f1 list. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.